today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Contact Us page. Now, to be able to access the future page, we're going to have to look over here on the left side. On the left side, you have your online store over here. If you notice, when you select the online store, you will be able to see the different options or the different features available for us to play around with. You have your themes, blog posts, pages, navigation, and even preference. So, to be able to find and create a contact page, you're going to have to select the pages option over here. To select that, you will be redirected or you will be able to see the different pages that are available right now for you to use. And there's already a default contact page over here. It's called contact. And this is something that will automatically appear even when your account is freshly created. So we could click this and we could actually customize it. Since contact or contact us is basically the same thing, you can simply click on contact us or change the title to contact us. Aside from that, the things that we could customize and add are this part over here, the content. So simply put in the content about your contact. So let's actually use this generate page content feature over here. Create a few phrases that encourages users to contact us if there are any issues or if they want to inquire for more details. Then click on generate. Then the AI will generate our content for us so that we could have a content or a description for our contact page. And as you can see, this is our output over here. Simply click on keep. And after this, you can simply edit the different information, the phone number, all of those stuff, and simply click on save. And when you click on view page, you will be able to view it and see the information that was created by the AI for us. You can also upload some images or even videos or even clear the formatting for the entire thing. But anyway, you will be able to also have the name, email, phone number, and comment up stuff over here. The things that you would require your user to input so that you would know information about them as well and so that you could communicate to each other and one another. And that's basically it. That is how you will be able to create a contact us page in Shopify. Now keep in mind, you will be able to customize the content such as this part over here through the customization part. Click on customize and you will be able to customize the page of the contacts by clicking on pages, then click on contact, and you will be able to customize it over here. As you can see, you have a contact form under the template. Then you can add different things as well if you want to add them, and it will appear on your page just like that. And that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.